Hey developers, welcome to Devcovery. Today, we're bringing you the hottest open source projects trending on GitHub, so you don't miss any tech developments worth your attention.
Today, we're taking a deep dive into a trending project on GitHub, DeepSeek-TUI, a powerful AI coding agent that runs entirely in your terminal. This Rust-based tool has exploded in popularity, gaining over 700 stars in just one day. It promises to keep developers focused and efficient by bringing advanced AI assistance directly to the command line, no heavy GUI required. What if your AI coding assistant wasn't a separate web page, but a native citizen of your terminal? A new project explores this very idea. It gives a powerful model direct, secure access to your local workspace, aiming to bridge the gap between AI suggestion and developer execution. The project is called DeepSeek-TUI, developed by Hmbown. It's a coding agent that runs directly in your command line, designed to solve a common problem: AI chat tools being disconnected from a developer's local files, shell, and version control. And it's clear this idea is resonating. The project has gained significant traction, accumulating over 1,100 stars, with an impressive 744 of those added in just a single day. For many developers today, the workflow feels fractured. They consult a web-based AI for code or commands, then manually copy and paste that output into their local terminal or editor. All that context switching is inefficient and, let's face it, pretty error-prone. While existing IDE plugins can help, they rarely offer deep, autonomous control over the entire development environment. But DeepSeek-TUI takes a different path. It embeds the AI agent directly into the terminal, treating the developer's workspace as its native environment. This transforms the AI from a passive advisor into an active collaborator, one that's capable of reading files, running commands, and managing Git repositories all on its own. So, how does it work? Under the hood, the project is built with Rust, which delivers a high-performance experience through a text user interface, or TUI. The architecture is centered on a sophisticated agent engine that orchestrates every interaction. There are three technical aspects that really make it stand out. First up is its native RLM parallel reasoning. Using a tool called RLM Query, the primary agent can spawn multiple, lower-cost sub-agents to tackle complex problems in parallel. You can think of it like a project manager delegating tasks to a team. The second key feature is support for massive 1 million token context windows. This comes with an automatic compaction system that intelligently summarizes older information when space runs low, allowing the agent to understand the full scope of large projects. And finally, there's a feature that might be the most important of all: the side Git snapshot mechanism. Before and after each action, the agent creates a snapshot in a separate temporary Git repository. This provides a transactional undo function, letting a user revert any changes without affecting their project's actual version history. So, what does this look like in practice? A software developer could load an entire project into the agent's context for a large-scale refactoring task, approving each step in the interactive agent mode. A DevOps engineer could use it to write, execute, and test a new deployment script directly in the terminal. For trusted tasks, a developer could use the fully automatic YOLO mode to have the agent bootstrap a new project, install dependencies, and initialize a Git repository from a single prompt. Getting started is straightforward for anyone comfortable with the command line, requiring just an installation through standard package managers and a DeepSeek API key. Now, despite its innovative design, the project does face two key challenges. The first is security. The YOLO mode, which grants the agent permission to execute any command automatically, creates a potential vector for prompt injection attacks. A carefully crafted prompt could trick the agent into running malicious code on the user's machine. The second challenge is its tight coupling with the DeepSeek API. While the project supports other providers, its core strengths rely on unique features of the DeepSeek v4 models. This means any changes to that API's pricing, features, or availability could directly impact the project's core value. DeepSeek-TUI is much more than just another chatbot in a terminal. It is a thoughtfully engineered blueprint for a truly integrated AI development partner. The project represents a significant step towards agents that do not just suggest code, but actively and safely participate in the development lifecycle.
That's all for today's Devcovery. We hope these GitHub trending projects spark some inspiration for your development work. You can find all the repos mentioned in the description below. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you tomorrow at the same time.